Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 20. It is from chapter 3 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we have a new landowner. She has a triangular piece of flat land that she wants to fence. Okay, so we know the lengths of two sides and we know the angles, and we need to calculate the length and orientation of the third side, which is side C. Okay, so first we can note that vector A plus vector B plus vector C is 0. All right, so now let's make a table. So we'll do the vector, we'll do the x component, and then we'll look at the y component. Okay. And so for vector A, we have AX is going to be A times the cosine of 21. And so AX is going to be the 80 meters times the cosine of 21 degrees. This gives an AX of 74.686 meters. I'm keeping extra digits there. Probably should only keep 4, not 5, but let's do AY is going to be A sine 21. And now we need to add a minus sign to this because we can see from the figure that the y component is down, so it's going to be negative. And so AY is minus 80 meters sine 21. And so AY is minus 28.669 meters. Okay. B has a negative x because it's slanted towards quadrant 2, but it is going up, so its y component is positive. Okay, so for vector B, and we can make the triangles like this. Okay, so there's the x and y. There is B, and then we know this angle is the 11 degrees. Okay. And so BX, we'll add our minus sign. It's going to be minus B, and it's going to be sine 11. Okay, so BX is minus 105 meters times the sine of 11 degrees. So BX is minus 20.035 meters. Then BY is going to be B times the cosine of 11. So BY is 105 meters cosine 11 degrees. BY is 103.071 meters. Okay, and now we can say our vector C, well, we can say vector R is A plus B. And so for Rx, that's going to be AX plus BX. And so Rx is 54.651 meters. Ry is AY plus BY. And then Ry is 74.401 meters. Okay. And so we know that a plus b plus c adds up to 0. So that means c is equal to minus a minus b. So c is minus a plus b. And so vector c is minus vector r. And so cx is going to be minus rx. That's going to be minus 54.651 meters. cy is going to be minus ry. That's going to be minus 74.401 meters. And let me just go down to the new page. C is going to be the square root of cx squared plus cy squared. We're squaring the quantities, and so they're going to come out positive. So I find it's less problematic if we just put positive values in here. And so cx is 54.651 meters. We'll square that. And then cy is 74.401 meters. We'll square that. And so this gives a length for C of 92.317 meters. And so to 3 sig figs, it is going to be 92.3 meters. So that's the length she needs. And now for the direction. So cx is in the negative, cy is in the negative, and so c is coming something like this. And so what we can say, theta is the tan inverse of cy over cx. We want the tan inverse of, now if we put the negative values in, the negative signs are just going to cancel. So we're going to use 74.401 meters over the 54.651 meters. Notice the meters cancel. And this gives us 53.7 degrees. And what we can do is we can say this is south of west. So we head south and then we we head west and then we drop down towards the south, and that carves out that angle theta. So 53.7 degrees south of west. If we want it with respect to east or positive x, all we have to do is add 180 degrees to it. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.